How come investors are not excited about this year's oil rebound? There's a big short interest with companies, and the stocks have been lagging price.
Yeah, they kind of have been. We've seen a lot of volatility in oil, and there's been this push and pull that you and I have talked about before with OPEC and trying to really manage those prices there and manage the inventory that's there. So I don't think investors have really bought into the idea that oil is going to stay where it's trading at this point right now, and we haven't really seen that translate yet into individual stock prices.
So you think that oil companies could be at a buy area right now?
I do. I think if we start to see some stability in that area there, I think that might be an area where investors might want to get into, but not just yet. We need a little bit more time to see if the volatility dampens a little bit.
Time is healing. Now, what do you think about President Trump investigating Google with ties to the Chinese government? What's that about?
Our president, does things that are somewhat outside of the box. And things that we've seen before in other administrations here. President likes to flex his muscles, and this just might be a way of awakening some of these larger corporations to be on the lookout that the president is watching what they're doing and seeing where their tentacles reach to. And this probably all just translates into taxation, right? I mean, we continually talk about how these large conglomerates don't pay any federal taxes, and they're able to really work around that. So this might be his way of poking the bear in one area but trying to circle in on the other side.
We haven't seen too much of a reaction in Google stock.
And surprisingly not. So I think that would have been a headline that might have, garnered a little bit more muscle to it, but we're not seeing that yet.